Hello everyone, today is our explain the method of transmitting and receiving a distress signal SOS through Morse light in accordance with Coleridge's Annex 4 an internationally code of signal. Transmitting and receiving distress signal SOS through Morse light. The SOS signal is an internationally recognized distress signal used to signal life-threatening emergency. It is transmitted using Morse code, which encode text characters as sequence of dots and dashes. Here a detailed discussion on transmitting and receiving the SOS signal through Morse light. Transmitting Morse light signal. Number 1. Source of light. A source of light such as a flashlight or lantern is used to transmit the signal. Number 2. Morse code knowledge. The sender must know Morse code to encode the SOS signal, 3 dots and 3 dashes, 3 dots, into a series of short flashes, dots, and long flashes, dashes. Number 3. Visual signaling. The sender flashes the light according to the Morse code sequence, with short flashes for dots and longer flashes for dashes. Number 4. Directionality. The sender directs the light toward the target to ensure the signal is seen.
Receiving Morse light signals. Number 1. Observation. The recipient watches for the visual signal, scanning the horizon or designated area. Number 2. Recognition. The recipient recognizes the Morse code pattern and interprets the signal correctly. Number 3. Recording. The recipient may use tools to receive and record the Morse code message. Number 4. Respond. The recipient takes a precise action such as relying a distress message to authorities of responding directly. Key point: SOS signal. The SOS signal is an internationally recognized distress signal transmitted using Morse code. Morse code is a method of encoding text characters, a sequence of dots and dashes. Visual signaling. Using the light is an effective way to transmit Morse code message. Training and regulation. Both senders and recipients should undergo training and Morse code signaling techniques and follow specific protocols and regulation. Consideration. Visibility, weather condition, time of day, and terrain can affect the visibility of Morse light signal. Training effective. Communication during distress situation requires training in Morse code signaling techniques. Regulations, specific protocols and regulation govern the use of Morse code and visual signaling and method in internet context.